All right, I think we're good. Let's do it. Cool. So, for those of you guys that are here, my name is Alex Kouras. I've been on YouTube since 2020, creating self-haircut tutorial videos. You know, I've been cutting my own hair for over 16 years, since 2008 when the financial crisis came in. And I decided one day to post videos on it, and it blew up. And my channel has been doing exceptionally well ever since. YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, all of them are doing very well with millions of views a month. Now, that's not the topic of today's video. Today, I'm sharing with you guys that I'm actually gonna be giving away my self-haircut course and my self-haircut book, which I usually charge $200 for, 100% for free. So just so you guys can see, this is my actual self-haircut formula book. Usually charge around $20. The hardcover is like $30. But for you guys, I'm going to be doing the PDF version 100% for free, as well as the self-haircut course with all of the full-length tutorials that I've created for myself over the past handful of years. So you have the whole course, loads of live streamed self-haircuts, like the full-length ones that are like an hour, hour and a half in length, that I'm just sitting there taking my time, giving you guys good instructions on what I'm doing when I'm cutting my own hair. And then of course, the self-haircut formula book, which is literally my entire self-haircut brain inside a book that you can probably finish reading in like 3 hours. So that's all 100% for free. So $200 that I used to sell to people over the past handful of years since 2020 is now 100% for free. So you guys have complete access to that on YouTube in the playlist. Now, the only thing, right, you don't owe me anything. You don't have to give me anything in return. It's just me being generous and me being kind. But if you do want to say thank you, if you do want to show your support for giving you guys all of this really valuable information for free, I do have a brand new hair company, which is called Kouras right here. You guys can see it on my shirt. It's KOVRAS, but the U is where the V is, just for like, you know, to make it look cool. I'm going to put the V there instead of the U. But the whole point of my brand is, of course, to start giving the world 100% actually hair healthy products that style at the same time, right? So currently I've got 3 products. I've got organic clay, organic wax, and organic cream. These are my 100% all natural hair styling clays. And I know I'm going to do more products in the future that aren't necessarily hair styling, but these are the ones that I currently have right here. High hold, medium hold, low hold, all 3 matte finish, only made with 6 high quality ingredients that are actually really good for your hair, right? They promote hair growth, slow down hair loss, slow down hair graying, do a whole bunch of other things which you guys can learn more on my website. So this is the business that I'm trying to put 100% of my effort in. And as a way to put 100% of my effort in, that's also part of the reason why I'm giving you guys my course, the book, pretty much everything for free. So I just don't have to have it on my mind. And I can put all of my intention and all of my effort in on my brand new hair product company. So as a way to say thank you, as a way to show support, this is probably the best way to do it. If you want to grab yourself a jar or 2 of my hairstyling products, or whichever hairstyling products or hair products that are out currently on my website, you guys can definitely show your support by grabbing yourself a jar or 2. But yeah, show your support. Love you guys. You guys have been awesome over the years, for those of you guys that have been watching for a long time. And I appreciate everything that you've ever done. And of course, Kouras is here. If you want something that's hair healthy and styles at the same time, you can get your hands on our products as well. So best of luck. Enjoy the course. Enjoy the book. And yeah, start getting your hair on fleek. Get some nice hairstyling products that are actually healthy for your hair. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.